DTI naglaan ng 2 to 4 billion pesos or higit pa para sa mga OFW o repatriated OFW na umuwi sa Pilipinas at pwede kayong makautang pang negosyo. At hindi muna kayo sisingilin ng DTI sa interest at sa principal sa loob ng unang taon.
Tama ho ba yung nabalitaan ko, there is about 4 billion na nilaan ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para sa mga negosyante natin?
Actually, mas malaki pa dyan.
Mas malaki pa?
Yes, yeah. Actually, when the crisis nag-start na yung crisis, we actually set aside 2 billion pesos for the OFW. So, OFW Negosyo Fund po ito. So, for all the OFW na repatriate or OFW that are into business or OFW na gustong magnegosyo or pamilya ng OFW na nagnenegosyo, pwede po silang umutang dito. So, this one is up to 5 million, no collateral, and 1 year po, no payment of principal and interest.
Grace period?
May grace period po. And then you start to pay na after the second year. So, utos po na kasi ng Pangulo sa akin na, Chris, you need to help the OFW. Kailangan mahanapan sila ng yung fallback when they come home dito sa Philippines. So, meron po tayong OFW Negosyo Fund, no? And a week after we launch this one, or even less than a week, meron na tayong actually 10 na nabigyan, no? But for now, meron na tayong 255 applicants. Actually, no? And pag na-grant ito, this will be about 253 million pesos. So, marami pa pong nag-apply ng OFW to get into business. So,
we have the OFW Negosyo Fund. So, lahat ng, we set aside 2 billion pesos para dito. So, lahat ng mga OFWs na gusto magnegosyo or lahat ng OFW na nagnenegosyo na or mga pamilya ng OFW na kailangan ng funding for their business, pwede po silang umutang sa DTI SB Corp. Up to 5 million po, no collateral, and there's a 1-year grace period, meaning no payment of principal and interest for the first year. So, sa second year na po sila mag-uumpisa ng bayad.
Tapos ano pong minimum na bayad? So, first year, within the, after 1 year nitong pag-avail ng loan, hindi nila kailangan magbayad. So, the second year...
for 1 whole year. Yeah, the second year they can pay. So,
doon na magsa-start.
They can pay, yes, doon na magsa-start. But they can pay within 3 to 5 years. Ano lang naman yun, they can just negotiate with SB Corp because SB Corp is a government bank. So, talagang dapat flexible po. At saka, we make it easy for them rin.
Meron po bang, I know this one is for loans, no? Pero ini-imagine ko lang baka merong mga micro businesses din na pa-bankrupt na po. Ano pong pwede pong tulong po na mabigay po sa kanila? Meron po ba silang program?
Yes, definitely. We also have the Enterprise Rehabilitation Fund for the micro. Actually, they can loan up to 300,000. Kahit yung mga sari-sari store, pwede rin mag-umutang. And we also have the MSME fund, business fund. So we set aside 4 billion pesos for this. So again, up to 5 million, no collateral, and for the first year, no payment of principal and interest. So, meron ang SB Corporation, which is the bank under DTI, meron po kaming mga loan program para sa kanila. So, ang best for them, they can onboard online, they can apply online through sbcorp.gov.ph, or pwede rin silang pumunta sa different regional offices nationwide, or the 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide. Matatanong po nila, or they can ask for more information. Pwede rin silang mag-inquire ng mga opportunities and possibilities na naibibigay ng DTI para sa kanila.
Oo, last follow-up po, Sec, no? Kasi alam ko, no collateral itong loan. Pero paano po yung interest po? Or negotiable din po yung interest?
Okay, since this is a government
sa pagbayad
bank, mababa yung interest. So, it's best for them to go on board online para malaman nila kung magkano talaga. But the interest is also mababa dahil this is a government bank. And ang gusto talaga ni Presidente, ng ating Presidente, no, si BBM, to make sure that we assist the micro, small, and medium enterprises as well as the OFWs and lahat ng mga nagnenegosyo. So, maganda po ang mga programang ito. This bank loans to small and medium enterprises. Dapat nasa MSME sector po sila. Then they can loan from SB Corporation. Anong mga requirements? Madali lang po. For loans up to 5 billion. Meaning, number one, business permit, business name registration or SEC, bank account, or pick and picture ng kanilang negosyo. That's all that's needed. Tapos online na po itong ang pag-apply nila.
How about po yung ating loan for OFWs?
The same requirements. Basta up to 5 million pesos, that's the requirement. But above 5 million, kailangan na po nila ng collateral. And of course, there's more requirements already needed for bigger amounts of loan. But again, it's best for them to go to SB Corporation or sbcorp.gov.ph para malaman nila, especially those that will loan more than 5 million. Yes, and online application lang ito. So they can, kung kailangan nila ng tulong or they want to know more about this, they can go to the different regional offices, DTI regional offices nationwide, and the 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide.
Sec, linawin ko lang, sabi niyo po, pwedeng mag-loan more than 5 million, so hindi po limit yung 5 million?
No, that's not. They can loan all the way up to 30, 50 million. Pwede.
Alam kong napakarami diyang magtatanong kung paano mag-apply nito. Bisitahin niyo ang Facebook page ng DTI at doon kayo mag-apply. Madalas sa mga anunsyo ng gobyerno tungkol sa mga OFW ay hanggang anunsyo lang. Pero wala namang masama at wala rin namang mawawala kung susubukan nyo.